In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Facebook ads account in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a business owner looking to expand your reach or a marketer aiming to target a specific audience, mastering the Facebook ads platform is an essential skill. Let's dive right into the process. First and foremost, head over to Facebook. If you don't already have a personal account, you'll need to create one as it's a prerequisite for setting up an ads account. To begin, click on the Sign Up with Facebook option. This ensures that your ads account is linked directly to your personal profile, providing a seamless experience across Facebook's various services. Next, you'll be prompted to input your personal information, starting with your name. It's crucial to use your real name to avoid any issues with Facebook's verification process down the line. Following your name, you'll need to enter your birthday. Facebook requires this information to ensure that all users meet the platform's age requirements, thereby keeping the community safe for everyone. Choosing your gender comes afterwards. Facebook asks for this information to personalize your user experience. Remember, the more accurate the information you provide, the better Facebook can tailor its services to fit your needs. The subsequent step involves entering your contact information, which can either be a phone number or an email address. This detail is critical for account security and recovery purposes, so make sure you have access to the phone or email you provide. Setting up a strong, secure password is your next move. A robust password is your first line of defense against unauthorized access to your account, so choose wisely. Combining letters, numbers, and special characters is always a good strategy to enhance your password's strength. After entering all the necessary details, it's time to click Sign Up. Congratulations, you're now the proud owner of a Facebook account. But we're not done just yet. To create a Facebook ads account, you'll need to visit the ads section located at the lower left panel of Facebook. Before we proceed, it's important to note that you must have a Facebook page to complete the setup of your Facebook ads account. If you haven't created a page yet, now would be the perfect time to do so. A Facebook page is where you'll showcase your business or brand to the world. It's the foundation upon which your advertising efforts will be built, enabling you to connect with customers and followers meaningfully. Creating a Facebook ads account is more than just a technical setup, it's your gateway to reaching out to billions of users worldwide. With your ads account, you can craft targeted campaigns, manage budgets, and analyze the performance of your ads in real time. Remember, the key to a successful advertising campaign lies not just in the setup, but in understanding your audience. Take the time to explore Facebook's vast array of targeting options. Whether it's demographics, interests, behaviors, or connections, you can narrow down your audience to ensure that your ads are seen by those most likely to engage with your content. In addition to precise targeting, make use of Facebook's creative tools to design ads that capture attention and resonate with your target audience. Experiment with different formats from single images and videos to carousel ads and slideshows. And always keep an eye on your ad performance. The insights you gather will be invaluable in refining your strategy and optimizing future campaigns. To wrap up, setting up a Facebook ads account opens up a world of opportunities for businesses and marketers alike. By following the steps we discussed today, you're well on your way to launching impactful advertising campaigns that drive results. Remember, the digital landscape is ever evolving, so stay curious, keep learning, and never hesitate to test new ideas. That's all for today's guide on creating a Facebook ads account. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and are now ready to take your digital marketing efforts to the next level. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials to help you navigate the online marketing space with ease. Happy advertising!